Hello students, today we are going to start fourth chapter of Mathematics First, Financial Planning. In this chapter, we have to see and learn about GST, the new taxation system applied in India. GST is in effect from 1st July 2017. Up to this, there were many type of taxes like excise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and cess, VAT that is value added tax, luxury tax, entertainment tax, octroi, CST, countervailing tax duty and special additional duty that is SAD. But then all these taxes are subsumed under GST. That is why GST is one nation, one tax, one market. GST is in effect from 1st July 2017. Word GST stands for Goods and Service Tax. Goods and Service Tax. GST is in effect from 1st July 2017. There are two components of GST. First is CGST and second is SGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. This tax is to be paid to central government. Then SGST is State Goods and Service Tax and it is to be paid to state. Then again one term comes, that is GST IN, means Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. This identification number, that is GST IN, is mandatory for the dealer of which annual income is more than 20 lakh or his turnover not annual income but annual turnover in previous year is greater than rupees 20 lakh, means whose turnover is greater than or exceeds 20 lakh rupees, then he has to pay GST and he has given this identification number, that is GSTIN. GSTIN has 15 alphanumericals. This includes 10 digits of PAN or 10-digit PAN number of that person or that dealer. We will take one example of GSTIN. In GSTIN, first there is state code, 2-digit state code. Here 27 is state code for Maharashtra. Then next 10 digits are like this. First 5 digits are alphabets which are written in capital. They are vary for each. Then 4 are numericals, and then again one alphabet. This total 10 digits shows PAN number, that is 10-digit PAN of the person or of the firm. The next 3 digits are 1, Z and 5, in which this 1 shows 1 registration, 1 represent 1 registration. Then this Z is uniform for all. And last digit here 5, it confirm the validity of GSTIN when entered on GST portal. Means here GSTIN has these 5 alphanumericals. In these 5 alphanumericals, first 2 digits shows state code, it is 27 for Maharashtra state. Then next 10 digits shows PAN of the firm. Then 1 shows registration, 1 registration. Z is uniform for all, and this 5 is for confirmation of the validity of GSTIN when entered on GST portal. Up to this we have seen the terms like CGST, SGST, then third term GSTIN. Now the next term is HSN code. Fourth term HSN code. HSN code, the full form of HSN is harmonic system of nomenclature. Harmonic system of nomenclature. All goods are classified by giving numerical code, HSN code. Means all things, all goods, all items are shown by different numerical codes. These codes are known as HSN code. HSN code is for goods. Then next term is SAC. SAC code, full form of SAC code is Service Accounting Code. Means this code is for services. In GST there are two types, goods and services. Goods means वस्तू and service means सेवा. वस्तू आणि सेवा कर. GST, goods and service tax. For goods there is SSN code and for service there is SAC code. Then what are the rates of GST? Rates of GST are different for different product. Such as 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. These rates are fixed and prescribed by government. The zero rated, that is 0% tax, 5% tax items are low rated, 12% tax items or goods are standard rated. First slab 18%, most of the goods and services are included in 18%, that is standard rated, and 28% tax applied things or goods are known as highly rated. We will see some list of items and their rates of GST. See here in your book there is given a table. First, zero rated, that is rate of GST is 0%. The goods in this type are essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt, earthen pot, etc. These goods are very important for each type of person, whether he is rich or he is poor. These things are most important. Without these things, our life cannot be proceed. In this food grains, fruits, vegetable, these all are farmers products or we get them from agriculture. Then services, that is charitable trust activities, transport of water, use of road and bridges, public library, agriculture related services, education and health care services. These are all zero rated, that is these goods and services have 0% of GST. Then second type is low rated, that is the goods and services have 5% of GST. Which type of items are there? First, commonly used items like LPG cylinder. It is important, but not so important like the zero rated items. So it has 5% of GST. Then tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetables, spices, sweets, etc. These are low rated. Services, railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, airport transport. In airport transport, there are two types: economy class and business class. Economy class is for general peoples and they have 5%, that is low rated GST. Hotels providing foods and beverages, etc. Then third slab is standard rated. They have 12% GST. The goods in this type are consumer goods like butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phones, etc. And services in this slab are printing job work, guest house, services related to construction business. Now third slab, fourth slab is, or second slab means standard rated. They have 18% of GST. In this slab, the goods like marble, granite, perfumes, metal items, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV, etc. These items have 18% GST. Then services in this lab like courier services, outdoor catering, circus, drama, cinema, exhibition, currency exchange, broker services in share trading, etc. These services are not very important for all persons. Therefore, they have 18%, means much more greater GST. Then last slab, it is highly rated, that is 28%. These the goods in this slab are all luxury items, means only more rich persons can use them and therefore they have highly rated GST. The goods in this type are luxury items, motorcycles and spare parts, luxury cars, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products and aerated water, etc. Services in highly rated GST: 5-star hotel accommodation, amusement park, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games, air transports, business class. Air transport, in air transports, the business class, the businessmen travels in this class. Therefore, these all services have 28%, that is highly rated GST. Here one note is given: the rates and type of GST are as prescribed by the government at the time of writing this chapter. GST rates are subject to change. They can change. If government take decision to change the rates, then government can change these rates. Electricity, petrol, diesel, etc. are not under preview of GST. Means GST is not applicable for electricity, petrol, diesel, etc. In meanwhile, our state government and central government has changed some rates of GST on some particular items or goods and services. Therefore, these are subject to change. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्यासाठी ही अभिमानाची गोष्ट आहे की महाराष्ट्र हे देशातलं पहिलं राज्य आहे की ज्याने स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटने ज्यावेळेस GST आणला त्या पहिल्याच वर्षी या संपूर्ण GSTचा अभ्यास करून आणि आपल्या इयत्ता 10वीच्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये हा GSTचा फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग हा चॅप्टर ॲड केला आणि त्यामुळे ह्या GSTच्या टॅक्सेशनबाबत जे काही समाजामध्ये गैरसमज होते ते गैरसमज काढण्याचं काम एका पद्धतीनं महाराष्ट्र शासनाने केलं आणि म्हणून आपल्या अभ्यास मंडळाने हा चॅप्टर आपल्या सिलेबसमध्ये समाविष्ट करून आपल्याला GSTची खूप छान अशी ओळख करून दिली. यानंतर नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण GSTचे इनव्हॉइस त्या इनव्हॉइसचा अभ्यास करू आणि त्या इनव्हॉइसमध्ये आपण ज्या ज्या बाबी बघितल्या CGST, SGST, GSTIN, SSN कोड, SAC कोड यांचा समावेश या इनव्हॉइसमध्ये कशा पद्धतीने केला जातो त्याचा विचार आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये करूया. थँक्यू.